Welcome and good day everyone. Today, welcome to our forum discussion which is entitled Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radiation in our daily life. So, the question is it a convenient connectivity or a sustainable concern? So, today our group will each talk about their own opinion about Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because it is very relevant to us because every day we will use this technology in our smart home devices. So, let me introduce to our panelists. We have Mirul, Nabil, Husna, and Khairul. So, let's begin with Nabil. Nabil, can you explain why Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are considered electromagnetic wave application?
Alright, thank you, Afandi. Okay, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are considered electromagnetic wave application because they use radio frequency electromagnetic wave to transmit information wirelessly. Instead of using physical cables, they send and receive the digital data through the air using electromagnetic wave. For example, we connect wireless earbuds to a smartphone using Bluetooth. The phone converts digital audio into radio wave. This wave travel to the air and the earbud will receive them and, and the earbud will receive them and convert them back into sound. Similarly, Wi-Fi allows devices such as a laptop, smartphone, and also tablet to communicate with wireless router, giving us access to the internet without using any network cables. Bluetooth also will operate in the 2.4 gigahertz band, while Wi-Fi can operate at 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz, depending on the Wi-Fi standard. In conclusion, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are excellent example of electromagnetic wave application because they enable fast, reliable, and safe wireless communication that we use every day.
Okay, that was very so clear and I think that everyone agrees with our panelists. So, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, from my understanding, you're saying that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are not just internet technologies, but also an engineered application which applies electromagnetic wave. So now, let us move on to the next, which is the health impact. So, Merul, many people worry about the Wi-Fi radiation. Is it dangerous?
So this is a very common question. When people hear the word radiation, they usually think it is dangerous. However, not all radiation is harmful. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi use non-ionizing radiation, which is different from harmful radiation like X-ray. According to Health Organization and scientists study, the radiation from Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is considered very low and safe when devices follow safety standards. Studies have not shown any proven which is short-term or long-term health effect from normal use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth device. This does not mean we should ignore safety completely. Engineers must design wireless device according to international safety limits. This ensures that the device released to the public are safe to use. Finally, we should remember that the bigger health concern is often not the radiation itself, but our lifestyle. Spending too much time using wireless device can lead to eye strain and also less physical activity and distraction. That's all.
Okay, that is a very balanced explanation and I totally agree with you. So from my understanding that the technology is generally safe, but it's also safe under our standards, and also it is our responsibility use and so that it can be perfectly safe. So now let us discuss about sustainability. So Husna, what are the positive and the negative impacts of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the environment?
Okay, thank you, Afandi. So from the sustainability point of view, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi both have benefits and the drawbacks. In the simple words, we call that pros and cons. So first, the benefits for the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi reduce the need of many physical cables. For example, wireless keyboards, earphones, printers, and smart sensors reduce cable clutter and make devices easier to use. Wi-Fi also support online learning, like we use in our back days in PKP and so on, and also remote works, telemedicine, smart homes, and smart campuses. This can reduce travel, save time, and also improve access to information. However, there are environmental concerns. The first issue is energy consumption. A single router may use a small power, but millions of routers, network devices, are connected to system operate continuously. Normally, data transmission network consume about 260 to 360 terawatt hour of electricity in 2022, around 1 to 1.5% of global electricity use. So, for the third issue is unnecessary devices production. Many people replace wireless earphones, routers, and smartphones not because they are fully broken, but because the newer model release. This increase the manufacturing emission, packaging waste, and battery disposal problems. So our group believes that the environmental waste of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi not mainly from radiation, but it's more from the electricity use, device overconsumption, battery waste, and poor e-waste management.
Okay, thank you, Usna. That point, I totally agree with you. So to sum up, you're saying that the radiation may be a low risk, but the sustainability issue can become very serious when billions of devices are at use worldwide at the same time.
Yes.
So to the next impact. So now, Carol, what are the solutions that can we suggest to reduce the impact on society and the environment that has been mentioned by Husna?
Okay, thank you, Afandi. First of all, as a future engineer, our responsibility is not only to make the technology works, but also we have to make sure that the technology work more efficient, safe, and more sustainable. So the first solution is to make sure that the design. The first solution is to design the low power wireless devices. So the low power devices like Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth earphone, and IoT sensor. So when we use these solutions, this can help to reduce the user electricity. So when we use the electricity lower, so it can help to reduce the electricity bills. So the second one is to improve the repairability and product lifespan. So in this case, instead of withdrawing the gadget, the next solution is responsible usage by society. So users should also use wireless device responsibility. So this is because many people play a role as a people to make sure that the gadget or device used more properly lah. So for example, when we at home, we can use the Wi-Fi routers for several days. But when we not gonna use it, we have to turn off lah. So it can help to reduce more electricity. So that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Khairul. That is a very strong conclusion. But before we end, I would like each panelist to give one short and final statement of your opinion. So let's start off with Nabil.
Okay, for me, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are clear examples of electromagnetic wave applications because they use radio frequency wave to transmit data without cables.
Okay, Marwan?
For me, from the health perspective, current evidence show that normal Wi-Fi and Bluetooth exposure is low risk when device comply with safety standard, but responsible use is still encouraged.
Husna?
So for the final statement, from the POV of environmental, the bigger concern wasn't about the radiation, but the energy consumption, e-waste and also the frequent replacement of electronic devices.
Okay, lastly, Khaira.
Okay, as engineer, we should design wireless technology that is low power, safe, repairable, and recyclable.
Okay, I'll sum up our forum discussion. So in conclusion, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi has become an essential part in our daily life. They support our communication, education, work, healthcare, and every smart system that we use. So, however, sustainability must be acknowledged because energy use, electronic waste, and battery disposal are one of the real environmental issues. So, therefore, our group believes that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are beneficial to the technologies, but they must be managed responsibly through better design, proper regulation, and user awareness. So, thank you to all panelists, and thank you for our audience for watching our forum discussion, and that is all from us.